Well, I've got it all set up so that it's all got physical connections now, and I'm still getting very interesting. It's definitely fluctuating a little bit, so I'm definitely getting some slight background readings. I'm only using a 3-volt power supply at the moment, 3-volt button cell, and those are two BC547 transistors, a 10k resistor, and I can't remember the size of the capacitor. It's pretty small. And that is interesting. And I stopped the light coming in the back of the sensor, so I'm not getting much of a reading right at the moment. As I said, I'm running off a 3-volt coin cell, and I'm beginning to suspect that I might need to step the voltage up a bit, maybe 5 volts. The whole circuit was designed for 5 volts anyway, so I might not even be triggering the transistors with 3 volts. But let me show you what happens when I unplug the sensor. So just unplug here. Yep, you see that drops and goes back up, drops, goes back up. Yeah, okay, so that clearly works. There's clearly power going through it all, and the transistors are clearly doing their stuff. Where I'm going from here, I'm not entirely sure. Now, there could be a whole load of problems. And the scintillating crystal I bought from eBay could have been fake. That is a possibility. It's not a probability, but it's a possibility. And it could be, as I said, that I'm running off 3 volts instead of 5 volts, and I need to change the resistor. But I'm not 100% sure at the moment. Or it could just be that this particular setup with two BC547s just isn't quite sensitive enough. I do have an amplifier chip, an audio amplifier chip, that's probably worth trying. Right now I'm, well, scratching my head a little bit, but I'm thinking of trying it with 5 volts. Because I think that circuit was designed for 5 volts, but it should do something of 3. I'm encouraged and discouraged. I'm encouraged that these figures are fluctuating, but on the other hand, when I disconnect this, they fluctuate even more. So quite what's going on there, I'm not sure. Let me just reduce that a little bit more. Right. Okay. So let's see, we've got right, let's try that now. Yeah, not seeing a great variation whether it's plugged in or not. I'm just seeing a slight voltage change. It would help if the people that made this had included really good instructions, but they didn't. Well, this is probably about all I could afford anyway. So that is a bit of a mystery, and I'm going to have to get back on this one.